How can we cut a carton box automatically? Happy to introduce our carton box cutting machine. Today we will use two cutting tools of our machine. Firstly, we are using the V-Cut tool for bevel cutting. You can make the design by CAD software and loading the design into carton box cutting machine. The carton box cutting machine will read DXF or PLT format files. You can choose different cutting tools for different cutting requirements. And now the machine changed to oscillating knife tool to straight cut. You can also install other tools such as creasing wheel for making creases. It's very flexible and the machine can cut any shapes. Carton box cutting machine is suitable for making samples, and the machine also suitable for small batch production. Let's see the cutting effect for carton box cutting machine. Very smooth cutting edge. And also welcome to contact us for more information. We will recommend you the most suitable specification for the machine. We are the professional manufacturer for the carton box cutting machine. And we have very mature pre-sales and after-sales services. Looking forward to cooperate with you.